sir, you want to buy in the national bookstore. Buy with Ricky vlog and Lucia vlog. Ano pang gusto mong vlog natin?
Ano ba? Depende sa'yo. Content mo to eh.
Ganda sana kung mamaya bibidyo ka ng habang natatakbo tayo ng malayo. Hanggang Bangkal ba? Less than 10 minutes lang natin eh. Dagdag ko lang para abot ng 10 minutes eh. Dugtong-dugtong ko na lang yung mamaya. You need to adjust the seat. Adjust. So you can reach the clutch. This one is manual. So you make sure you can reach the clutch. You can reach your right foot, control the brake and control the gas. So make sure you can adjust your leg is not touching here. Okay. If you want to move the car, press the clutch. Press the clutch over there. Already the clutch here. Come closer. Okay. Press and then next one. You need to put your first gear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and reverse. So put the first gear and then release and then your right foot put on the brake. So in case suddenly move, release the handbrake and then you can move your car, move forward. Then you can release the brake 5%, 10%, 20% and then you see the car moving. You can let go all the way your clutch control. Okay guys, thank you. Ano pa Diki?
Kabahala. Let's see the weather.
Shout out Diki and Busay Vlog. You can see Diki and Busay Vlog.
What's up?
What's up? Okay guys, I show you hindi magde-drain yung battery nyo sa sasakyan. So before you start the car, make sure the aircon is off. I will off the aircon. See, I will off the car first. The car is running, so I switch off. So before you start the car, you make sure the aircon is off, radio is off, because the battery is taking the power. The aircon is taking power from the battery, but the engine haven't started. See, I will try to start on the key. See, the aircon is running, so it means it's taking the power from the battery. So make sure before you start the engine, off the aircon, off the radio, and some lights you need to off first, so that it will not drain your battery. Okay guys, that's simple but very useful technique. Okay, thank you. Diki, what you want to learn, Diki? How to hold the wheels. So put 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So like this, one here, so you can control. And also some when you put 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock here, like this. Then so which one you're comfortable. So hold here. And then once if you want to change gear, just leave your left hand here and change the gear. So this is the proper. So when you turn the wheels, because now the new technology, we have airbag here, so you cannot cross your hands, because the airbag will be come here and then you hit your head instead of airbag coming here. So don't cross your hands like that. So you must just push, catch here, push, catch like this, and you want to turn here, push like this. So just don't cross here, don't cross there, like this. Just 9 and 3 o'clock and 10, 2 o'clock. Okay. Next one. Hello guys, I show you how to drive manual car. This is the gas, brake, and clutch. To the right, control the gas and brake, and the left is clutch. When you want to start, just press the clutch, press all the way down. After, you can change to gear number 1. Okay, the car now is running. When you want to start, I want to move the car, release the slowly. Release the clutch slowly, plus the gas, and then you can release the handbrake. Release the handbrake. Okay guys, and then back to neutral. Okay, I'm here with my... Say Morty, say hello to camera. Hello. Say hello to camera. Okay.
Mordi, meron dyan. Kala yung mga nag-kiss sila.
And forward. So you have to see the line. The behind.
Kahit, syempre pakita ka din.
Need to see front and back. Move forward. So put the warning hazard. Now it's going to reverse. You check the line indicator in the side mirror. You can see the line. I will move the reverse. Straighten the wheels. Okay, on the other side again, you can see here. See the line. So just straight this side. Okay, straight the wheels and move slowly. That's the secret of the Kitchik-Niki, the line on the
Oh,
okay.
pag naramdaman nyo po yun na po, nakapark na po kayo.
Nakapark ka na.
Yan.
Yan, hindi na siya sa reverse. Hindi siya atras yung sasakyan mo. Pagka ano naman, hindi siya abante forward. So yun, tapos okay.
Parang maharap kayo. Tuwing kami ang nagbabike ng mga pinsan ko dyan, binubusan na ang kamahol. Binubusan na ang kamahol pag ako ang nagbabike. Kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko. Pag nasa gitna ka na, hindi mo napapansin. Huli ka ngayon!